The wizards built into SEnuke are one of the fastest ways that you can create a multi-tiered link building campaign. I will show you now just how fast they can be. So this is the Turbo Wizard. All we need to do is enter in our primary keyword. We'll use our dog training. Our secondary keywords we can generate ourselves from Google. This will give the words that Google most links with dog training. You can of course add in your own ones as well. You see it does generate a nice list of secondary keywords. You can set the percentage that secondary keywords will come into play. We'll just set that to 20% versus 80% for the main keyword. We then have to set the URL for our website. We'll just do www.dogtraining.com for this example. Again, we can set a secondary URL, and a percentage of links will go to the primary and the secondary. The secondary, for instance, will be internal pages within your site that are also about dog training. This just means that not all links will be directed at your root URL, or vice versa. You could have set your internal URL here, and a secondary URL would have been the primary domain. Tags we can again automatically generate, or we can just use our own. And campaign name is optional. If you don't give it a name, it will generate one for you. I'll just call this dog training. Next, we need some articles to fill up all the different projects within this campaign. We can use the article manager that we showed earlier, or if this is just a one-off thing, we can automatically create a set of articles just for this campaign. So if we go to Article Builder, select a category that's linked to this niche, dog training, set the size of the articles we're interested in. Let's go for 600 words. The number of articles we want each time, we'll go for 10. So this will download 10 600-word articles and mix them up, and it will do that for every single project within this campaign. So every article directory, a social network, bookmark will have its own unique content. Then we need to select a template from the list. We'll use the Full Monty, which is it is one of the largest campaigns you can run, so this will take probably 2 to 3 minutes to fully populate with all the data and articles. Number of profiles, we only need one. The number of days to run it over, we're going to run it over 2 weeks, so 14 days. Number of links per bookmark profile, we'll stick with 1. We'll have the project start on the 30th, and at 12 minutes past 7 p.m. that's fine. So all we have to do is click Create Campaign, and then SEnuke will go off, download articles, mix them all together, and populate this campaign for you. As I said, this is quite a large campaign, so it will probably take it 2 or 3 minutes, so we may have to speed through that so you don't get too bored watching this video. And that's it. We can now click OK. We could use this this again. We could set a new date and create another campaign and have it download in another set of articles again, or of course use our article manager. Or we could change some settings and create it again. But we're just going to close this off, and you can see the campaign that has been created. You can see how many days everything will be running for and how many different tiers there already are. So you can see in just a few seconds we have created a campaign with many tiers, thousands of pages, thousands and thousands of articles, all unique and different, that will all be linking back to the web pages, the URLs that we put in.